Halo, assalamualaikum. Jadi sekarang kita sedang berada di Disneyland Hongkong. Jadi saat ini kita lagi menunggu pesta kembang api. Adanya di akhir acara ya, itu kembang apinya kira-kira 15-20 menitan. Bagus banget. Jangan sampai kelewatan ya. Tonton terus. Jadi di malam hari istananya itu berubah warna menjadi pink. Jadi sekitar 30 menit acara sebelum dimulai itu istananya berubah warna menjadi biru dan pink ya. Lalu beberapa menit kemudian sebelum acara dimulai itu akan keluar suara seperti musik-musik gitu guys. Kemudian disusul lagi dengan istananya yang berubah warna. Jadi biar nggak nunggu terlalu lama, aku ini percepat ya guys. Selamat menikmati.
Falling down, I keep on hitting the ground, but I Lights! Water! You see her sitting there across the way. She don't got a lot to say, but there's something about her. And you don't know why, but you're dying to try. You wanna kiss the girl. Now she moment, floating in a blue lagoon. Boy, I better do it soon. No time will be better. She don't say a word, and she won't say a word until you kiss the girl. Sha la 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 la, don't be scared. You got the mood prepared. Go on and kiss the girl. Sha la 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 la, don't stop now. Don't try to hide it now. You wanna kiss the girl. Sha la 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 la, float along and listen to the song. The song say kiss the girl. Sha la 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 la, music play. Do what the music say. You wanna kiss the girl. I can show you the world, shining, shimmering, splendid. Tell me, princess, now when did you last let your heart decide? A whole new world, a new fantastic point of view. No one to tell us no, or where to go, or say we're only dreaming. A whole new world, a dazzling place I never knew. But when I'm way up here, it's crystal clear. And now I'm in a whole new world. Everything is different now that I see.
A tip of the hat from Dr. Facilier. Now, you can deal with me, and you'll get everything your little heart desires. Sit down at my table. Put your mind at ease. If you relax, you will enable me to do anything I please.
Close to my heart, never to part, baby.
got voodoo, I got voodoo, I got things I ain't even tried. Well, I got friends on the other side. Yes. Are you ready? Central. Reformation Central. Transmogrification Central. Can you feel it?
What came before us and what's yet to come? Memories we make with the ones that we love.